How to use Sweatcoin app for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use this application easily and quickly. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and make sure that you have the latest version of this application installed to your device. From there, you can then go ahead and click on the open button or just go ahead and open up the application. And basically right after that, we will then be prompted to the login page where we can go ahead and select a Google account to go ahead and make our account right here. So let's just go ahead and do that. Right after choosing your account, just wait for the page to load in, and it will go ahead and request you to allow some certain permissions to your device, like the location, in order to track some location on your distance right here. So you have to make sure that you go ahead and press on the allow button to make sure everything works perfectly on the Sweatcoin application. Click on allow. From here, if you have a Google Fit, just go ahead and click on enable, but for now, I'll click on the skip anyway. From here, click on the yes please button. And for our last permission, you want to make sure that you allow step counting. Click on allow, and there you go. We have successfully enabled Sweatcoin on our devices right here. Now, to go ahead and use the application, it's extremely simple. All you have to do is to walk around using your phone, and from there you will be able to basically claim some different rewards or coins here on the application itself. So after getting a certain credit, just click on the rewards button, choose your rewards, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.